Welcome to COHO. Today we're going to be looking at setting up a property welcome pack. First, navigate into the property, and then go down to the welcome pack. Here we can add information that will only be visible to the tenants in this property. There is a welcome pack at organizational level, that you can share information with all of your tenants. There are also welcome packs at room level. That information is only shared with the tenants in that specific room. In this instance, we can add information in as a quick info item. Quick info is anything that you can type into this field. You can give it a label, add the information and click save. This is useful for codes and for phone numbers. On the section below we've got information cards. Here you can add a new card. This allows us to add any images, photographs and files. You can also embed video links from YouTube, for example. This is useful to share information with tenants for things like house rules or instructions, etc.
COHO.